Hey fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic push-up workout designed specifically for beginners. Let's get started. First up, we have the classical push-up. Start in a high plank position. Make sure your arms are shoulder-width apart, and lower yourself down to the ground. Keep your core tight and lungs filled with air as you perform this classic bodyweight exercise. Next, try out the knee push-up. This variation is great for building strength and reducing the risk of injury during lower body exercises like squats or deadlifts. Start in a kneeling position. Keep your elbows close to your body and lower yourself down to the ground. This exercise is all about engaging your triceps and chest muscles. The third exercise on our list is the wide arm push-up. Start in a high plank position, but this time bring your arms wide apart, even wider than shoulder width apart. As you lower yourself down to the ground, feel a stretch in your chest muscles and engage your triceps throughout each rep. Last but not least, give the close arm push-up a try. Begin in a low plank position and bring your arms close together, closer than shoulder width apart. As you perform this variation, focus on keeping your elbows tucked close to your body to hit that upper chest area effectively. That wraps up our 4-exercise push-up workout for beginners. Give these moves a try and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts designed just for you. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to stay strong and healthy.